Hi friends, let me show you these new dog blankets that I received for reviewing purposes. You get 3 blankets. These are gray ones and they are really nice. They are 31 by 41 inches each. You see? Really large for large or medium-sized dogs. You get 3. Okay? And you can use them anywhere you want to protect your furniture or to give your dogs a nice place to rest. You could use them in your furniture like this. So your dogs can play in the sofa or whatever they want. As you can see, or you can use them for any place in the floor. As you can see, Milo is already liking them. So they can, well, they can play with them or they can rest on them. Ven, Milo, ven, chico. Ven. These blankets can help you protect your furniture and still have a place for your pets to spend the day or to rest a little bit or do whatever they want. Perfect blankets for your dog. Thank you.